Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a new campaign. There are 5 options to start a campaign. The first one is that you can do the search on basic LinkedIn account or the Sales Navigator account, copy the URL and select the first option. You can paste the URL over here. You get 2 options. Either you can skip the profiles without picture or you can just extract the premium profiles only. The second option is that you can use some of the filters that are already available over here. Instead of going to LinkedIn, you can do the search over here in order to start your campaign. The third option is a complex query builder where you can use logic operators to start your campaign. Here are some of the filters that are available, and here are some of the operators you can use in your query building process. And the fourth option is upload CSV file. So you can upload the CSV file in order to start a campaign. Please read these instructions when you are setting up your first campaign for CSV. You can also download the sample CSV file. And the fifth option is if you want to run email campaign, you can do the search on Sales Navigator, paste the URL here in order to start your campaign. So let me start a campaign. I would like to search for John, second or third degree connections, English. I'm looking for John in Los Angeles, in United States of America, and in information technology industry. Moving to the next step, on this step, you get 3 options to set up your sequence. Your campaign will work as per the defined sequence. So the first one is a profile engagement. Profile engagement means view the profile of the other person from your LinkedIn account. The second one is a connect request. Here you can send them the connect request with this note and with a follow-up message. Then the next one is LinkedIn message. So you can send them another follow-up messages with the custom delays, and maybe you want to send them another one. I'm just creating a simple sequence. So first of all, system will view the profile of the other person. Then after 5 hours, system will send them a connect request with the following message. Then this is follow-up message. This is optional. If you want to turn it on, this message will be sent as soon as the system detects the person is connected with you. So do expect the delay of 30 to 60 minutes. System will send the message, this follow-up message, after 30 to 60 minutes of connecting with that person. You can also customize your message as per so using these variables, or you can use our predefined templates which you can use to send the follow-up messages. Then I want to send them another message, follow-up message, let's say after 2 days. I can use another template, maybe the page here. You can use this message in order of this message will be sent after 2 days from the previous step, and then another message after 4 days. So this message will be sent after 4 days from the previous step. So I can probably use this template. You can change these messages as per your requirements. You can also make the changes and save them as templates. So you can put on the title of the template and the system will save this as a template. Now this is my sequence. Moving to the next step. As per the defined sequence, at any step, if the system detects the person has responded to you, then the automation will stop over here automatically. So let's say if the person has responded you back after this message, then it means that the next 2 messages will not be sent to that person, because once the reply is detected from a person, automation will stop automatically. This is a default behavior of the system. But if you want to continue the automation for specific prospect, you can also do that when you go inside the campaign. So you have an option in front of each prospect that if you want to resume the campaign, you can do that. I am just running this, setting up this one. So moving to the next step, here you can put on the campaign title. Here you need to, this is a scheduler. So the system works as per the defined scheduler. Maybe you are targeting someone In the US, you can define their time zone. So whatever time zone is theirs, let's say New York time zone, you can select their time zone. You can select them the time duration. Maybe you want to target them in from 8 a.m. in the morning till 5 p.m. You just want to target them from Monday to Friday. You don't want to target them over the weekend. And then here is the sequence that was set up in the previous step. You can anytime go back and change it as per your requirements. After that, you can put on the title of the campaign. So you can, after that, you can click on start campaign to start a campaign, and it will be start after some delay. So there will be minor delay after the campaign will start. Thank you for watching.